You think you're looking at a swamp, but what if you're wrong? What if this place is actually one of the most unique natural machines on Earth? Can you imagine a world where water barely moves, yet life never stops? What if I told you this is a river? A river covered in grass, so slow, so subtle, you can hardly see it flow. Have you ever heard of an ecosystem that moves inch by inch and still sustains thousands of species? A maze of life where roseate, spoonbills, alligators, manatees, and countless birds survive in perfect balance. Welcome to Everglades National Park, one of the world's greatest living puzzles, and its story begins now. Dreamed roots, get inspired, subscribe, join us. You think you're looking at a swamp, but the truth is far more extraordinary. Everglades is one of the greatest living puzzles on Earth. This is a river, but not the kind you know. Here, water flows quietly beneath a blanket of grass, moving slowly south. When you look at the surface, it seems still. Yet water circulates silently through the veins of this giant ecosystem. These waterways become home to hundreds of bird species. From roseate spoonbills to elegant egrets, each one follows the rhythm of this world. Look to the sky, and you can see the breath of the Everglades carried on the wings of migrating birds. Beneath the surface waits the silent guardian of these waters, the American alligator, just below the surface, a shadow, watching. With a single glide through the water, this ancient creature carries one of the oldest stories of the Everglades. Deeper in the calm waters live gentler giants, manatees, the peaceful residents of this unique world. Everglades is a massive network of interconnected habitats. Sawgrass, marshes, mangrove forests, and open waters work together like a single living organism. The mangrove forests hold the soil, protect the water, and shelter thousands of species. Their tangled roots are the lungs of the Everglades. As you move through the water channels, you begin to feel the true labyrinth of this natural world. As the day slowly shifts into golden hour, the Everglades reveals its full beauty. At sunset, the silhouettes of birds complete the daily rhythm of this ancient ecosystem. The sky turns shades of orange and purple, and the water mirrors the final light of the day, and then, slowly, day surrenders to night. Silence becomes the true voice of the Everglades. Moonlight touches the surface. A thin mist rises. Fireflies flicker like stars in the dark. When the sky opens, millions of stars appear. The Everglades continues to breathe quietly through the night. All the complexity of this vast world whispers a single truth. The Everglades is a living miracle. Dreamed roots. Get inspired. Subscribe. Join us.